Contact centers need a solution that accurately forecasts agent staffing requirements. Accurate forecasting is key to running an optimized, efficient contact center. It enables managers to predict, measure, and manage call arrival patterns and make informed scheduling decisions. Our forecasting solution strives to balance three often conflicting demands: optimizing customer service, lowering operational costs, and reducing the agent turnover rate. Let's take a look at how you can use the forecasting tool to determine what your staffing requirements were historically, what your staffing requirements should have been, and then what your staffing requirements will be in the future. The forecasting tool is located in Contact Center Client under the Tools drop-down menu. We'll start by loading some historical contact center data for our customer service queue. You'll notice that we can also load historical data for queue groups. For example, if we wanted to load data for all queues within our business. We'll specify the historical dates for which we will run the forecast. In this example, we'll use July and August, as these are typically difficult months to staff accurately due to summer vacation and infrequent call volumes. We can then specify the time frame. We'll use a 30-minute interval between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. as these are the core business hours for our contact center. Once we've done this, we'll click Submit to load the historical data. Once the data is loaded into the forecasting tool, you can see the queue service level and agent efficiency percentage. This is an interesting contact center statistic as it allows contact centers to overcompensate for what is known as the shrinkage factor. This is people calling in sick, leaving work early, and taking extended breaks. And with our forecasting tool, you can make sure you overcome these specific business challenges. Based on this example, you'll see that in the half hour between 8:30 and 9 a.m., the contact center received 31 calls and had 3 people staffed as agents in the contact center. When you click Perform Forecast, right away the forecasting tool will show you that for this period the contact center was significantly understaffed, with the tool suggesting a higher number of agents being scheduled against both the historic and current call volumes. The power of our forecasting tool lies not in its ability to show you the number of agents you had scheduled and should have had scheduled, but the number of agents you are going to need in the future. By clicking the Modify option, you can easily adjust the average talk time, calls offered, and weekly total statistics to perform what-if scenarios. For example, let's consider a company that has just merged with another company and wants to consider the impact of the contact center once the companies have merged and are operating for both lines of business. We can increase the number of calls offered by 50%. Now, when we run a forecast, you'll see that where we had 3 agents scheduled historically, we should have had 18 agents scheduled, and in the future, once the 2 lines of business are merged, we will require 27 agents. We can then take this information and export it to either a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet or directly into our optional workforce scheduling application, which can then be distributed to managers and executives within the company as a new business case for the contact center. With precision forecasting, managers can optimize the balance between the agents required and corporate service level objectives. Our forecasting solution accurately predicts future call volumes and agent requirements, resulting in improved service and operational efficiency.